Side to Good morning, everyone. Day 3 in Coorg, and this is my outfit. Makeup wise, I feel I've done a really good job. Say hi to this cutie. Having school. Zain steering सीखला है. Ready? Experience है.
अच्छा था
सीखी किधर है? क्या अभी सीखना?
अभी सीखना
कितना? एक रत्ती Every good girl needs a little heart. Every bad boy needs a little love. What's up? Yes. What is tall and green? Thank you.
फ्लावर्स
Flowers is green.
पत्ते रहते ना बड़े झाड़न के
झाड़न क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
ट्री
Yeah. Who is the king of the jungle?
लायन
Okay. Which animal is the biggest of all?
जिराफ
That's tallest. The big one.
एलिफेंट
Yeah. The blue whale also is very big. So the tallest is,
जिराफ
yeah, the biggest is
एलिफेंट
on land. In water it is?
व्हेल
Yeah. Which fruit is orange in color?
ऑरेंज
Yeah. Which fruit is red in color?
एप्पल
Thank you.
पानी नहीं मिला ये तो ना ये खड़ा मैं पकड़ लेती हूँ
बस रे
नहीं मिल रहा मुझे
झूठ So cut ಮಾಡಿ sir. Okay, what has 4 wheels?
कार
What has 2 wheels?
स्कूटी
Thank you. What is big, yellow and bright in the sky?
सन
Yeah. What is beautiful white in the sky?
क्लाउड आई एम एक्सपर्ट देखो ना अलग छोटा
Driving lessons day 3. I am not sure how the progress is though. Like, I don't know how much is it that I can rate myself. But I am this close to deciding if I should be a passenger princess forever. But I also like doing this though. I like gear and everything. I'm so exhausted. We are upgrading to a Brezza now. I'll show Dad once he's clean shaved. We're gonna give a shot at this. Seatbelt डालो.
स्टार्ट कर
रेडी करना
अन नीचे अन करना प्रेस दबाओ
Oh, okay. Push the button.
डोंट वरी
Dad's really nice of him to give his car. Thank you, Zain. Because I don't think if I were him, I would have. I had my trainer, he's sitting right next to me. He taught me in his vehicle. And then Dad was like, okay, take my car and see how this goes. I really like it though. It's way smoother and way nicer. But I think I've also realized that I wanted to learn how to drive in Bangalore. However, we have really nice roads here. It's like empty roads. You get to learn a lot of things, completely cut and take turns. I mean, I don't think it's easy in Bangalore at all. So I'm surely having fun, but this was in my list since good 4 years. Like before I turned 25, I really need to learn how to drive a scooty and how to drive a car. So yeah, we're very close to that. I think I want to extend my stay and and learn a little more. But I don't know how my work looks like. I already have my manager call me in like 50 times to just check, hey, when are you coming back? As I'm here right now, it only makes sense for me to stay back, learn a little more, and then go. Or else I'll just forget how this is done. Zain, kab se this kade hai?
Second time में मैसूर तक ले जाता हूँ तुझे
Mysore tak hi. And he's so popular down in Coorg. Like literally everyone I know has learned from him. Called National Driving School, and it's just very nice. He teaches really well. Saying hi. नहीं पहले से कैसे
नहीं, वो है।
हाँ पहले सीट पुल कर ले को.
ये देख, हाथ दिख-
अब्बा वीडियो में दिख गया
चल।
Ya Allah, Nida. I am so sorry. So I'm not sure how many of you guys know this, but this is called pattal. We make this out of boiled rice. We have zeera, a little masala to it, and we eat it with fish. Guys, okay, so it's day 4 and it's Eid day, so I'm getting dressed little by little. I'll show you guys the full look once I'm done. I think it's gonna rain though. Like every Bakrid, it rains. So I'm just hoping I get like really nice pictures before it rains because the outfit is bomb. So this is how I look, and I decided to do Huda's makeup. So she forgot to get her concealer. I used mine and I just 2 shades darker. Like the color of my face. I tried calling those people, they have to. Looks nice. It looks very cute. Need to get this a little closer so they know exactly what I'm talking about. What the fuck? Your eyes are like that. Oh no, my eyes are the problem. Finished? I'm not going to judge until you finish the whole makeup. Oh, your base changed to pink, bitch. Cute. Done with the makeup, I guess, with the eyes and all that. Lipstick color. I did the lips. And there's a stark difference between my tones. Don't look at the tones. Just look at the face. Okay, just face it. Does it not look good? Yeah, it does. Yeah, then just shut the fuck up. Okay. Dura. Cats and dogs. It's raining and we're figuring out a way to go home. So Zain's trying to stop an auto. मिला Zain?
नहीं बोलता
अब क्या करेंगे जाने किस में च? भीग गए तो?
वीडियो करते हो
क्या भी करना चाहिए नहीं? Oh guys, it's still raining, but we had to leave. And we had no other option, so we borrowed an umbrella. This is how we go.
ഇത് ഇടോട്ടെ ഇത്
Neutral.
ന്യൂട്രൽ
ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇത് സെക്കൻഡ്
സെക്കൻഡ് ഇങ്ങനെ പിന്നെ വന്നിട്ട് പോണ ഇതാക്കാൻ എങ്ങനെ അറിയാം പറഞ്ഞ മനസ്സിലായില്ല നിനക്ക്
ഓ നിങ്ങളുടെ വണ്ടി ഇങ്ങനെ പോപ്പാ വേറെ ഇത് ഇങ്ങനല്ല
പഴയ വണ്ടിയല്ലേ ഇത് നോക്ക് ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ്
സെക്കൻഡ്
സെക്കൻഡ് എന്താക്കണം നോട്ട് വീഴണം എന്നിട്ട്
തേർഡ്
എന്നിട്ട്
ഫോർത്ത്
ഫോർത്ത്
ഇത് ന്യൂട്രൽ ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ്
നോട്ട് സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ്ങിൽ എപ്പോ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ
ന്യൂട്രൽ
നോട്ടിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ആവണം
Grandpa is teaching me how to drive, and he's actually very nice. So it's just dad. He keeps shouting and screaming, and he basically expects you to know how to drive a car or a scooty by birth. Like, I've given birth to you, or come on, this is impossible that you don't know this. We went at 2:00, and it's 4:15 right now. I'm so exhausted. Day 5. Dad and Zain are washing the car. Come कर रही की?
एक करा का नहीं करा
नहीं चलेगा. Day 5 looks a little empty, but I'm going for my driving classes very soon. And I made avocado.
आम्हाला ऍक्च्युली देऊ नको तुम्ही ऍक्च्युली किती असते गाडी स्मूथनेस नाही आहे ऍक्च्युली दे का तुम्ही क्लच छोड़ते नहीं
Okay, gear change कर देने बाद clutch छोड़ दो.
गियर चेंज करके क्लच छुड़ा दो उसके बाद एक्चुअली सेकंड हो
Time लिया तो बाजार नहीं.
बदल लो
तो वो first gear है वाला. Day 6 and I have a lot of errands to run. On the way to the town right now. I'm in Gonigoppa and my classes start at 1. I don't know what to do, so I thought I'll just come and check this out. So, pepper creepers are extremely common here in Coorg, and usually you can find this in any nursery. And look how cute they look. So this is my last day. It has been so amazing. We've come all the way till Priyavadan and we're going back now. And this is my teacher. And and dad calls him Shunna, so I call him Shunna Chachu. And he's so sweet and so kind and so nice. But yeah, I've had the best of times. I'm going back tonight. But yeah, excited to go back.
क्लच को ऊपर भी रख ले पाँव ब्रेक को ऊपर भी रख ले
This is my home now, and this is the path to my old one. Walk this way to go to school, and I'm so gonna use this if I ever have kids. This was my home for 14 years and was built by my grandfather. The window to my room, and this one to my parents. This was the kitchen. We used to play here, run shops, and leaves were our currency. This is a little estate with coffee, pepper, orange, jackfruit, chikus. We also have avocados, water apple, guavas, passion fruit, sugarcane, and the list goes on. This pond was way prettier and cleaner then. We would play in the water while mom washed clothes here. There was a patch of grass in the middle of the pond and the ducks laid eggs back in the days. This is the land where we grow paddy, which goes for us for some time. This big hole here was used for composting by my grandfather. This was an open field which was used to dry coffee and separate paddy, also our playground. The big rock we used to wash the clothes on, and the tank we used to store the water in. A lot has changed, but the roots sure remain strong. I like coming here because it has all my childhood memories. This was part 2. I mean, I know it was a lot of driving, but I still had so much fun. Have I learned how to drive? No. I have to go back. And I think, need to sign up for classes here in Bangalore so I get to learn a little better here. But I think this was the first time at home that I felt like I was doing something and I did not want to come back to Bangalore this early. And I had the best of times. I can't wait to go back again. I hope you had fun. Until next time, sayonara. This is Mirza Tarana signing off. Love you.